Hello guys, this is video number 2 of GATE Chemical Engineering Solution video series. Here is we will discuss about question number 2 of 2021 year GATE examination. It is related to heat of combustion. Here is the question. Please take time to first understand the requirement of question. So we must first understand the question. In this question, keyword is heat of combustion. So we must know what is heat is combustion. It is amount of heat released during combustion of 1 mole of that component. We all know that combustion is reaction with oxygen to form its oxides. So, we start with equation 1, that is, combustion of methane. Here is the balanced equation. Using this equation, we can see that 1 mole of methane is used. Hence, delta H is equal to P as given in question. Now equation 2, that is, combustion of carbon monoxide. Here is the balanced equation. Using this equation, we can see that 2 mole of CO is used. Hence, delta H is equal to 2Q. Here is equation 3, that is, combustion of hydrogen. Here is the balanced equation. Using this equation, we can see that 2 mole of H2 is used. Hence, delta H is equal to 2R. So we now understand all the concepts and background. Here is the final equation. We can get the desired equation by E1 minus E2 by 2 minus 3 into E3 by 2. Hence delta H is equal to P minus Q minus 3R. Hope you like our videos and getting concept clarity. Please like and subscribe our channel for updates. For more notes and lectures, please visit us at www.pcmeducators.com.